Welcome back, guys. So today we have a super dirty Ford Focus SE, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how to clean the interior of this car. So without further notice, let's get right to it. Before I start, it would mean a lot if you would leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so that you guys know every time I upload if you would like to see more content like this. Thank you. Alright guys, so the very first thing you need to do when cleaning your vehicle is to just power wash it off with water. You want to do this from top to bottom, and you do this because you want to get the main dirt and grime off, so come time for a hand wash, you won't be scratching anything to your paint. So what I got here is a foam cannon with McGuire's golden hand soap, and essentially we are doing the same thing with the pressure washer, but this time we have added soap, and you're gonna let the soap sit in the car for about a minute or two, so that way it can break down any of the leftover stubborn debris that the water did not remove. Okay, so I have my detail brush here, and I am essentially getting into all of the places where my wash mitt won't get, so between door handles, badges, and all of that sorts. So now that I've gotten all the places where my wash mitt usually wouldn't, you can now go ahead and take your wash mitt and wash down the vehicle with your soap. So in this video, I unfortunately did not have my wash mitt as I forgot to wash it. So I went ahead and bought a new sponge, one of those microfiber ones. I usually don't recommend buying them, but since mine was new and unused, it did not have any trapped dirt and debris, so it was safe to use. Okay, so I've gone ahead and started to dry the vehicle with a microfiber towel, and this way I am preparing to do the interior clean. Alrighty, so now that the mats are clean, I can go ahead and remove all the junk and main stuff left over in the car. I'm simply putting it in the bag since I don't know what's trash and what's not, and that way I can go ahead and start the vacuuming process. Okie dokie, so here I am applying a carpet cleaner. This will be used on the carpets and seats of the car. Now, good reminder is only use this for cloth seats. This is not meant for leather seats. There is leather shampoo, but since these seats are cloth, this works just as well. So just keep that in mind if you ever do this on your own car. This will not work on leather seats. Okay, here's my favorite part. So what I'm doing is protecting the plastic with a protectant that keeps it safe from all the UV lights and rays, and also giving it a nice interior smell and making it a pleasant car to sit in. Here's the final step, which is just to look over everything and clean the windows, make sure everything's in check, and then the final product is ready.
There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. That it feels right.
So there you guys go. That was the Ford Focus exterior and interior clean. I'm pretty happy with the results. I hope you guys are too. if there's anything you guys think I should improve on, definitely let me know down below in the comments. And yeah, as of now, see you guys in the next week. Peace out.
Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now. We know I ain't ballin' yet. Hoes wanna holler, oh no, I don't call them back. Girl, let me see you hold it down, we gon' have a blast. Cause I just wanna know what you gonna do with all of that. Ain't gotta say a word.